हाय फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू स्टडी दुनिया। तो दोस्तों, आज इस वीडियो में हम बायोलॉजी मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चन डिस्कशन करेंगे जो आने वाले सभी एग्जाम के लिए महत्वपूर्ण है। तो चलो आज का वीडियो शुरू करते हैं। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, द स्टडी ऑफ हेमाटोलॉजी इज रिलेटेड टू। राइट आंसर ऑप्शन बी, ब्लड। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, what is the branch of biology related to the classification of organism? इसका राइट आंसर ऑप्शन ए, टैक्सोनॉमी। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, जूलॉजी इज द स्टडी ऑफ। राइट आंसर ऑप्शन डी, एनिमल्स। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, which of the following is a study of spiders? Right answer option A, archaeology. Next question, zoology is the study of. Right answer option B, lizard. Zoology is the study of lizard. Next question, what is the study of birds? Right answer option B, ornithology. Study of birds, ornithology. Next question, paleontology deals with the study of. Right answer option B, fossils. Paleontology, study of fossils. Next question, what is studied in botany? Right answer option B, plants. Next question, oncology is associated with the treatment of which disease? Right answer option C, cancer. Oncology is related to cancer. Next question, what is mycology? Right answer option B, study of mushroom. Next question, what is oneirology studied? What is oneirology studied? Right answer, dreams. Study of oneirology, study of dreams is called oneirology. Next question, sericulture is related to. Sericulture is related to. Right answer option C, silkworms cultivation. Silkworms cultivation. Next question, what is the study of fossils called? What is the study of fossils called? Right answer option B, paleontology. Study of fossil is called paleontology. Next question, what is the basic unit of life? What is the basic unit of life? Right answer option A, cell. Basic unit of life, cell. Next question, what is blood? Right answer option C, blood is a connective tissue. बोन भी कनेक्टिव टिश्यू है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, which of the following tissue is mainly composed of dead cell? Which of the following tissue is mainly composed of dead cells? Right answer option A, xylem. Next question, which tissue in a plant carries water? Right answer option B, xylem. Next question, delivers food to all part of plants. Right answer option B, phloem. food transport of plants. Next question. Flexibility occurs in plants due to dash tissue. Flexibility. Right answer. Option A. Collenchyma. Next question. Which is the most abundant element present in plants? Which is the most abundant element present in plants? Right answer. Option B. Carbon. Next question. What is the main part of human body made of? Right answer. Option D. Water. Next question. Enzymes are basically. Right answer. Option A. Proteins. Next question. Which of the following is milk protein? Which of the following is milk protein? Right answer. Option D. Casein. Casein is milk protein. Next question. Dash are carriers of genetic material. Dash are carriers of genetic material. Right answer. Option B. Genes. Genes carry genetic material. Next question. Dash are found in the cell of the human body. Dash are found in the cell of the human body. Right answer. Option D. 23 pair of chromosomes. 23 pair of chromosomes.